If you're like me, you'd probably really enjoy a scenario where you're sitting back watching TV and you get a notification on your phone that you just had a deposit to your bank account for some work that you did months ago. That's passive income, and it sounds like a dream, right? Well, there are a lot of videos here on YouTube telling you all types of scammy, unrealistic things to do to get a little bit of extra money, but today, I'm gonna put y'all on some free game and tell you exactly what has put over $1,000 into my bank account passively, and it only took a little bit of upfront work that I did in one weekend. What's up, guys? My name is Lily Thompson. If you've never been to my channel before, this is where I talk about real estate investing, personal finance, and just general ways we can all achieve a little bit more financial freedom. Everything I learned on this journey, I document and share with you guys, and I'm super excited for today's video because 1, it's legit, 2, it's something that I know anyone can do, and 3, it's a way that you can start getting some serious passive income in a relatively short amount of time. So you owe it to yourself, stick with me through this whole video because like I said, I'm gonna be giving out some free game, and I want you to go out there and start making some passive income for yourself as well. So do all of the YouTube things like turn the like button blue, subscribe for more content, and let's dive in. So when I first started researching how to make passive income online, I came across a lot of scammy stuff, unrealistic stuff, and things that were very time consuming. Maybe you've run across similar things, surveys that you can take or videos that you can watch, but they only end up paying out a couple of cents. Those random YouTube guys who tell you to spam your friends and family on Facebook and try to get them to buy some random product. I've even seen ads to do random jobs like transcribe people's YouTube videos or podcasts into text. And I'm not saying those things can't make you a little bit of money, but they're not that appealing to me because 1, it's a very small amount of money, and 2, it's very time consuming work that you are usually gonna have to do over and over again if you wanna keep earning, and to me that's the opposite of passive. But I don't wanna spend too much time on what not to do. Instead, I wanna give you guys just a complete deep dive rundown on what exactly to do. So here it is. You're gonna spend one weekend making a couple of YouTube videos and then setting up a system to use those videos to make you passive income every month. Now don't stop watching yet. I know it might seem impossible, but you're probably thinking about YouTube monetization the wrong way. But just stick with me. I promise I'm gonna completely break it down for you. And the best part is you really don't even need a single subscriber to get started. Typically, YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before they will put ads on your videos and monetize your channel. But that is not what we're talking about today. I was just able to reach that threshold for this channel, and while it's nice, it did take months and dozens of videos to get there. And I've discovered that YouTube ad revenue is actually one of the smaller income streams that YouTubers have. The real money is made through sponsorships and affiliate marketing, both of which you can start way before you ever get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Now, sponsorships are difficult to get if you don't already have a large following, so we're not going to talk about that today. But what we are going to talk about is exactly how you can set up a passive income machine using affiliate marketing. So by the end of this video, you're going to see how you can use whatever device you're watching on right now to make a couple of videos just in one weekend, set everything up, and have those videos earning you passive income without ever doing any more work or making any more videos. So the very first step is to break the entire process up into 2 parts. The first part is deciding what types of videos to make and how they're actually going to make you money. And the second part is making sure that people can find those videos even if you have 0 subscribers. So I think the best place to start from here is, how do you make the money? What I've done and what I recommend you do is you make a couple of how-to or review videos for products or services that have an affiliate program. So the type of video is super important, and you want to make a how-to or instructional or review video because people are already searching for those. YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, and it's owned by Google, the world's biggest search engine. When you're making searchable content that answers a question people are asking using the YouTube platform, you don't have to have a super big audience that you can sell flat tummy tea to, or you don't have to, go out and scam your Facebook friends to buy certain products. People are actually going to find your videos because they're already looking for them. And part of what we're going to talk about in this video is how you make sure that your videos show up in search results. I've been on YouTube for about 10 months now, and from day 1, where I had literally 0 subscribers until now, my number 1 way of people watching my content and finding my videos has been because I've showed up in YouTube search. And the method that I'm using to make sure that I show up in search has meant that I've gotten over 29,000 views just from people searching for things and my videos showing up. So we know that the type of video we want to make are ones that answer questions that people are asking through YouTube search, but now we need to talk about what the actual content of those videos are. And this is all going to depend on what types of affiliate programs you decide to join. An affiliate program is when you promote someone else's service or product, and for every person that you get to sign up, you get paid a certain amount. And the beautiful thing about affiliate programs is that they're free to join and get your own personal sign-up link, and all of the tracking is already set up. So whenever somebody uses your link and makes a purchase, the program knows that you sent them there, and they know to give a certain percentage of that sale to you. One of the most well-known affiliate programs is Amazon Associates, but it's super hard to make good money on Amazon unless you already have a huge following, because they pay literally like a quarter of a penny for every sale. And so you're really not going to make that much money unless you've got hundreds, maybe even thousands of people buying the things you recommend. But there is some real money to be made for the little guys by using affiliate programs that have a recurring monthly payment or that pay a really high referral fee. Here's what that means. If we imagine that there's a company called like the Magic Coffee Box, and every month they send out a subscription box to their customers that gives them a couple of different types of coffee. And we'll say that this subscription box costs $25 a month. Now let's say that you sign up for their affiliate program, and every person who buys a subscription using your link is gonna make you 20% of their purchase, or $5. The beautiful thing about these recurring monthly fees is that unlike Amazon, where somebody buys something you get paid once, with this model, every time somebody pays their $25 subscription, $5 of that is going to come to you. You can also imagine another scenario that rather than $5 a month, the company might pay you $15 for everybody that you sign up. So you really want to look for the affiliate programs that have either a monthly recurring fee or that have a high referral fee. Now, you might be thinking that you don't already have an audience who you could just tell to go buy some coffee subscription box and that would listen to you, but stick with me because you don't need that. Once we decide what types of videos to make, I'm going to show you how to make sure that those videos show up on YouTube search, people find them, watch them, and use your link to go buy whatever service that you're talking about. So when you're looking for affiliate programs with recurring monthly payments or high referral fees, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. They're usually going to be programs or services that people use for their job, for their side hustles, for their hobbies, or things that just make someone's life easier. I don't recommend that you go for those basic individual products where somebody buys it one time and you get paid one time. The real recurring passive income is generated from products or services that people pay for every single month. For example, there are a few software services like this that I recommend on my channel. One such service is PropStream. It's an online product that gives people access to all types of real estate data to use in their investing business. Customers, and I'm a customer myself, pay $97 a month to get access to the service, and for every person that signed up using my link, a small percentage of that $97 gets sent to my bank account every month. And I feel good about this because I use PropStream in my real estate investing business every single day, and so it's not like I'm recommending a product that I don't even use or that I don't think is quality. And on top of that, my link gives people a free 7-day trial, and it actually, I think, gives them a little bit of a discounted price over what they would get if they didn't use a referral link. But maybe you're thinking that you don't know anything about PropStream or real estate. You can definitely do this with any other type of affiliate program that you have some interest or knowledge in. Let's imagine that you want to make a tutorial on how to put cool graphics or icons on YouTube videos. You could easily sign up to become an affiliate of the online design program called Canva, and you would then make a tutorial of how you use Canva to, pull up graphics or text images, download them with a transparent background, upload them to iMovie, and then, you have a cool graphic overlay. So boom, you just taught people how to do something that they were searching for on YouTube. And once you've learned how to optimize your video to show up in search results, a percentage of the people who watch that video are going to go to the description, use your link to Canva, and then you've got up to $36 per person coming into your bank account every month. Another example is that you can make some how-to videos for making websites using Wix or Squarespace, both of which have affiliate programs that pay you between $100 and $200 per person you get to sign up. So get creative. YouTube has over 30 million visitors a day, and a lot of them are trying to learn something through the platform. So if you can create videos that answer those questions, some of those viewers are going to use your link, sign up for something that's paying monthly or paying a high referral fee, and you'll have passive income coming in every month without making any more videos. I just spent a few seconds on YouTube typing in how to learn blank, and one of the suggestions that popped up was how to learn guitar, which I'm guessing we can all imagine there are thousands of people searching for every month. You could sign up for a free Skillshare trial and watch a couple of their how to learn to play guitar courses, and then you can make a review video telling people which one you thought was the best. Then everyone who signs up to go take those courses using your link would generate you up to $7 per person, even if they only sign up for a free trial. I also found another program called Bluehost, which lets people get a website name, and they'll pay you $65 for every person that you get to sign up. So yeah, I gave you some examples, but there are a ton of affiliate programs out there, and let's use the comment section as a place that people can, put suggestions or brainstorm different ideas, because there are enough programs out there for everybody to eat. All right, so you've made it halfway. Let's say that you decide to make 3 or 4 videos teaching people how to use Canva to make cool graphic overlays for their YouTube videos. With their affiliate program, you're set to make up to $36 for every person that you get to sign up for a paid plan. So how do you make sure that people find your videos on YouTube? The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna sign up for Tubebuddy. Now, of course, link in the description, but this is a free service, although you could get the paid plan, which I do think is worth it, especially because if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you get 50% off, so it costs you $4.50. But either way, whether you use the paid version or the free version, you're gonna download it to your Google Chrome browser, and then you're gonna open up the homepage of YouTube. From there, just type in something related to the chosen topic that you're gonna make videos about. For our example, it might be how to make graphics for YouTube videos. On the right-hand side, you're gonna see this window from Tubebuddy, and it's gonna give you a score, which is basically telling you how likely your video is to show up when people search that term into YouTube. You're gonna wanna use the suggested keywords to play around and find out which phrases have the best scores. For example, the phrase how to make intro graphics for YouTube had an excellent score of 87, so that might be the title for one of my videos. I then want to include 5 to 10 of the highest scoring search phrases in my description as well as in my tags. Jam pack in as many of those high scorers as you can. Just make sure that when you do it in the description, you write them out in sentence form so that it doesn't just look like you're spamming YouTube by putting a bunch of phrases back to back. This is the #1 way to make sure that your videos show up in YouTube search results, so figure out what the highest scores are and put them into your title, description, and tags. You're then going to actually want to go to Canva and use it yourself to make a high quality thumbnail. Apparently, research shows that thumbnails with the human face perform better than ones without a face, so use whatever device you've got, even if it's a cell phone, that's what I use, and just take a high quality picture of yourself and upload it into Canva. Use some bright, attractive colors, but most of all, make sure you put easy to read, big, bold letters on the thumbnail. I'd probably do something like easy YouTube graphics with an excited expression and a thumbs up, and then you've got a great YouTube thumbnail. This process is exactly what I did for my prop stream tutorial video. And as you can see, it barely had any views when I posted it because I barely had any subscribers. But over time, as people were searching for things like prop stream tutorial or how to use prop stream, my videos started showing up in the search results. People clicked on it, watched it, and a certain number of those people clicked my link in the description, signed up, and now I get paid a small cut of their monthly fee every month. The last and probably most important step is to make sure that in the description of your video, you put links to all of the affiliate programs that you're talking about in that video so people can find them super easily, and the affiliate program will know that you're the one that generated the sale if the person who used your link decides to go and sign up. Pretty simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't be selfish, share it with somebody, spread the free game. Anybody can do this no matter how old you are, no matter what job you have. It just takes a little bit of upfront work. So if you appreciate this video, turn the like button blue. Definitely check out this video right here, which talks about how you can get started investing in real estate. And YouTube thinks you should check out this video right here. I post videos 3 times a week, and until next time, thanks so much for watching.